In this video, I will show you how you can connect your hosting domain to Railway. So it's very easy. Firstly, you need to deploy your project. So I will choose project from my GitHub repository. And then once you have your project deployed, you can click on it and then next settings. And in the settings, you want to scroll and you want to look for this networking. And from here, you can add your custom domain. So if you click on add custom domain, you need to paste your domain here. So I will copy my hosting domain. I will paste it here. Then you can choose your port. Then click on add domain. And now you need to configure your DNS records on Hostinger. So you need to add this record to Hostinger. So its type is CNAME, this is name, and this is the value. So copy the value, go to Hostinger and domains, and then DNS/name servers. And from here you want to add your CNAME record. So I already have CNAME record, so I will delete the old one. And then choose type CNAME, this is name, and this is the value. Then click on add record. And once you have your record added, DNS changes can take up to 72 hours to propagate worldwide. So you just need to wait. And once it's propagated, you will see this check mark. So this means your domain is connected. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.